The 1/6 scale dual motor Bandit is here. What do you guys think? I am really excited about this project. It was a little bit behind schedule. It didn't make it to Beat the Creek, but I'm glad that we got it done here in short order. And we get to play with it a little bit this summer and test it out. This is kind of more of an off-road Bandit, as you guys can see by the tires and the clearance. The suspension setup. It's made to go over off-road material very, very quickly. We might end up making a couple adjustments to it, but I'm really excited about this configuration. This is different than the first Bandit that I did, if you guys are noticing some of the subtle things. Let's take off the body and take a look. This really came together nicely. I'm very happy with it, as I am most of the builds. Not all of them turn out super, but this one really did. I really like it. And it looks like we got a lot going on there, and you're right. Look at the space that we have here. We've got two ESCs, two motors, all the electronics, everything wrapped up. We even have the receiver box in there. Can you guys see that? Right in there is the receiver box, and that's what our driver is riding on right there. As you guys can see, we got the Bandit front clip here, and this always works out really nicely. As you guys know that follow the channel, this is my favorite part of Traxxas, is this whole front clip of the Bandit. It works out well in a lot of buggies, but you guys saw this thing is as long as an Xmaxx. I mean, I don't even think the pictures do it justice. This thing is really long. It's got just about the same wheelbase. I think it comes up maybe a 1/2 inch short or a 1/4 inch short, but it's really, really close. But it is the exact length of an Xmaxx. You see, we got our batteries out back here, and a lot of people wonder why I do that, and that is because of physics, guys. A lot of you guys know what I did as an engineer before this, and I am all about finding and maximizing mechanical physics. So as you can see, we've got some weight behind the axle here. So a lot of times when you have a Bandit configured, whether it's stock or aftermarket, on-road or off-road, the battery's always up front. And there's really nothing behind the rear wheel except for a wheelie bar, if that. So with these batteries on the other side of your pivot point, because this is your pivot point for all the power, as it goes up, the front end comes up, the back end comes down. These batteries help provide weight to provide stability on those rear tires, make sure that they don't balloon up too much, and they give you the proper traction. And so it's just mechanical physics. This brace that we did here, I'm really excited about that. I think, you know, it is very simple, but it's sometimes the most simple designs work the best. And although this material is super durable and super strong, this is a very long piece with only 2.5 inches of material right there. So we had to brace this thing up, give it a little bit of stiffness. We're not going to be bashing this, but if we're going to be taking this through the field and the mowed grass at 60, 65 miles an hour, or even north of that, we might take a tumble, and we don't want to ruin this beautiful chassis with something unfortunate. I don't believe it would, but just to give it a little bit of backup, we did this, and it allowed for that wire to kind of be hidden. You can't really see it from the top. Of course, you can see it from the side, but we had to find a way to get those wires from this menagerie of electronics right here to the back and attached to the batteries. So of course, we have our ESCs set up. This is the master, this is the slave. So basically everything this ESC tells the first motor to do, the next ESC copies that, but there's no direct power going from that ESC to the receiver in there. So it really works out. For those of you guys who are new to the channel and haven't seen any of my custom builds, this is a metal steel composite. A lot of people think that this is actually wood, but there you have it. This is fully magnetic. This is steel. So it's really kind of cool. I mean, it's super lightweight. It's super durable. It bends just enough, but I can drive over my F550 with this material and a chassis that's a standard Arma width, and it'll pop right back in place. So I'm really happy with this chassis, how it turned out. The only thing that I'm kind of concerned about, and I might change up these Duratrax tires. I'm not sure how they're going to perform on the off-road, if they're going to really dig in or not. We might have to get a set of knobbies like we have in the back. I wanted to try these out first and see what they did, but super happy with this build, guys. This is, and if you guys want to check this out, this is our first Bandit, so you guys can see the differences. This is the size of a felony or a infraction. It's got the same wheelbase. It's got a long wheelie bar on it. As you guys can see here, if we take this off, you can see that we have the motors reversed. And these have much bigger pinions on them because this is a road Bandit. And we also have our 2-speed transmission in there. This one is wild, guys. You can take this thing up to 70 miles an hour, safely shift on the fly, and head into the triple digits. Really, really cool build. I just wanted to add to that. So now we've got this incredible 1/6 scale Bandit. And in case you guys are wondering what this measures 30.5 inches. And I don't know, I'm guessing it probably weighs, it probably weighs about 10 pounds, the way it sits. It's not as heavy as it's probably not even that heavy, but this material is super lightweight. It's as light as carbon, but as strong as steel, and it has the best of both worlds, the rigid and the flexibility. So super excited about this one, guys. I can't wait to get it out there and rip it. So, all right, guys, until the next one, we will see you Radioheads later.